Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Wasabi knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to use one tie here. I'm going to choose a green one because wasabi is green. If you ever have it, it's good, but it's spicy. So here we go. We're going to come over here. We're going to put in a dimple, bring it over to the center. I'm going to come up and over like this. And I'm going to be very ginger with this tie because the seam's breaking apart. So if you ever have a tie like that, just either sew back up or just be very careful with it. You can still use it, you just got to use it sparingly. We're going to come around here like this. We're going to bring it down like so. Like that. Bring it down here like this. Then I'm going to open this up and I'm going to have it come through here. I'm going to put my thumb here and I'm going to insert it like this here. Then what I'm going to do is it's going to kind of come up at like a fold like that. And it'll naturally do that as you push it up like that. Then I'm going to come down like so. Okay, so it's kind of still loose here, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't want it to be completely loose. So I'm going to come back up through here. And then I'm going to tighten it. And I'm just going to put this down here like that and wrap it. Let me put my collar down and see what we got. There you have it, the wasabi. Just kind of adjust it. This is going to be this is supposed to be loose, but I don't want it to be too loose. This is a silky tie too, so it's kind of... There we have that. So I want it to kind of look like this. Just kind of... There you have it. So again, see the picture of this knot on my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.